everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how to double stack wrapped presents. So I am going to move through the wrapping part of the boxes relatively quickly, and then once we get done with that, then we'll stop and then we'll work on the stacking. Okay, now that our presents are wrapped, we're going to put them on top of each other. So the best way to do this is kind of center, kind of plan it out, see where you want it. And then I like to use packing tape, and I just simply fold it over on itself to make it double-sided so it's sticky on all sides. And then I flip the bottom present over so the seam and this tape are on the back, and I just tape them on. You can do all 4 corners. You could do 5. I'm just going to do 2 today, 1 on either side. Now the important thing is before you place it, to make sure you have everything lined up the way you want it, and your wrapping paper is going in the direction you want it to be in. So this I feel is good, and now we're down. Then we have them together and it stayed together, but I'm going to use ribbon to make it look like that's what's holding it down. Now you can use wrapping paper, you can cut it into strips and use that, or you can use ribbon, or you can just leave it as this and put it on a bow. But today we're going to crisscross it over the package. We'll tape it on the back. And the ribbon, if you don't have enough, they don't have to meet, or they can meet. It's up to you. Nobody really pays too much attention to the back of the box today. Okay, now we're going to do our ribbon. We're going to do our ribbon on the other side, so it'll be crisscross. Same thing, these ones meet. We can get a piece of tape. You want to make sure you tape it down good so your ribbon doesn't move on you, especially if you're transporting it. Perfect. And then from here, okay, so earlier I cut some ribbon, wrapping paper to make as ribbon so that we can place everything on the package. And again, I don't like to tape anything down until I have decided I enjoy where it looks. So today I think we'll let some ribbon kind of tinker down, crisscross from our real ribbon on the paper. And curling wrapping paper is the same as curling ribbon. You just slightly hold it and pull. Now if you pull too hard, you will tear the wrapping paper. You have to start a new one. But it's a little pressure, and if it's not curled right, you can just kind of keep going. This one maybe I don't like that much, so I'll put that one in the back. Alright, so then we're going to kind of decide how we want it to lay out. And I think I would like my ribbons cascading down. And And then I'm just gonna tape the top right there. That's where the bow is gonna go.
Now that
we have them taped in the center, we're going to pull little pieces of tape, and then we're going to tape our ribbon down. Now, I like them small. Sometimes I like to take a piece and then just cut that piece in half. And then I use just that tiny sliver to take and tape down the ribbon. Then I use the other side for the other ribbon. And I don't have the best view on this. We'll try to get it in the front here. So I just take my little piece of tape and I attach it to my ribbon. And then I pull my ribbon where I want it to land and then tape it down. Now we'll take our bow and we'll put it right in the center. Now I like to get my hand right in the center of the bow where the staple is. Press it down, kind of put my hands around it. It really helps me out. I really do appreciate you watching. Thank you.